Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my shop. This video segment is an extraction from a longer video that I did on the 12 modifications that I made to my Porter cable bandsaw. That turned out to be quite a lengthy one because it covered a lot. This video I'm going to show you how I made the blade adjustment handle for on top to avoid having to twist the knob. Now, Carter makes a handle that you can apply tension and release it. It's about $160, which is, it's a wonderful addition to make to your bandsaw. But this one I did here, I made for like $10 to $15, and it works fairly well with me. I'm not releasing and applying my tension on a real regular daily basis, so this works good for me. Okay, the top knob for the bandsaw blade adjustment here for adjusting the tension, you have to turn this, twisting it with your wrist to tighten it or loosen it. And that makes it pretty difficult after a while. So I've designed a handle to put on here that will make this a lot easier, and I'll show you that next. Okay, so I have removed this knob from the bandsaw, and it has this little pin in here, if you can see that. A little pin. You can knock this pin out, and you can remove this knob. And then what I did is I took it to the drill press, and I drilled these 1/4-inch holes into the knob. I just did 4 of them. There's like 6 cavities inside there, but I just did 4 of them. That's all I need. Got those drilled out, and what I do is take a piece of paper here, actually a piece of wood that you want to make your handle part out of. I just drew around the knob just to get the diameter of it, and then what I'll do is to draw this out more for the length of where I want the handle to be, and then a hole here for where one of the knobs is going to go into. The piece that I got done is this, and what I did for drilling these holes out is I took this handle, once I got those holes drilled, sat it on top of here and traced it with a pencil so I knew where to drill these holes at. This hole on this end is kind of arbitrary, close to the end center, and it's this one's a 3/8 inch hole. These are 1/4-inch holes. I bought these 4 1/4-inch screws. They're about 1.5 inches long, I think. They have a flat tip, crosshead tip on it. And these fit inside the knob into the holes because they fit in there better than does a hex head bolt would. So we'll get 4 of these in. Then this piece that I had made will fit onto these. Then just put on the washers and the nuts on all 4 of them, and then that gets it all tightened down. All of these nuts are elastic stop nuts, so they lock in place. Get those tightened down. Then I put this knob on. This is a knob I picked up online. I use some nylon washers because I want this knob to be able to turn as I'm turning this or cranking this. So I put some nylon washers on that fit the threads, which is a 3/8 thread. Then an elastic stop nut here. And I'll get that tightened down enough so I can still rotate the handle for when I do my cranking to adjust the blade tension. Okay, so I have this knob assembled for blade tensioning on here. Assembled back on there. I can tighten it up. I can loosen it very easily. It's a lot easier than trying to twist my wrist to adjust it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got something from it and you learned, please give me a like. If you want to see my future videos as I come out with them and see what I may come out with next, please subscribe. Thank you.